Hi, if you're brand new to Stolen Stitches, I'd really like to welcome you. No matter what your knitting level, you should be able to find something that is of interest and can help you learn and progress your knitting skills here. So just on the YouTube channel, we've got a couple of different things going on. First is that I have got a very wide range of tutorials on different knitting techniques. So if there's a particular technique you want to learn a bit more about, then just click on the title and jump in to take a look. I've also got quite a bit of just general chat about knitting and introducing a lot of my new products. If you pop on over to my actual website, stolenstitches.com, if you're a new knitter, just follow along to the beginner's guide where you can find everything you need to know about getting started, right from how to pick yarn to whole workshops that run through how to get started with the beginner projects, all the way up to kits and all of the tools you're going to need. So that's for a beginner. If you're a more advanced knitter, then you may prefer to join in perhaps with one of our several knit-alongs that are going during the year, where we have clues with sections of the pattern that get released, and we've got full video workshops and forums that support it with chat and interaction with other knitters. Now, those are the first two things that you can join on, but we've also got several different clubs that are periodically released during the year. The Seasons Club and we've got the Celtic Knits Club. And each of those come with yarn, goodies, and we've got workshops, Zooms, and general interactive forums that you can actually chat with other knitters and learn together and just basically have a good time. So pop on over to stolenstitches.com to see a little bit more about what we have available for you.